Good day everyone, and welcome to episode 5 of Kensington Additive News. I am joined by my colleague Ellie, who I'm sure you will know by now.
Yep, hi guys.
So there have been many advancements and developments since Formnext a couple of weeks ago, so let's get into what's been happening since then.
Yep, so to begin with, Etihad Airways have announced a partnership with EOS and Big Rep as they look to additive manufacturing to enhance their maintenance, repair and overhaul services. Marcus Glasser, the Senior Vice President Export Region at EOS, said, "We are honoured to support our partner on this innovation journey and as such bringing the production of aircraft interior parts to the next level."
Very great collaboration there. It's really great to see, the larger organisations adopting additive manufacturing as a key part of their, the production process. And it's not only, within the industrial applications, but also within retail too. Speaking of retail, Adidas has announced the launch of their new trainer, the Alpha Edge 4D 3D printed trainer, which are, I think, retailing at around $300 at the moment. Engineered with Adidas 4D midsole, they're designed to have controlled energy return and, breathable cushioning for, I think, more intensive training purposes. Of course, these have been brought to us by Carbon 3D, who are now mass producing these generatively designed midsoles.
Yeah, and unsurprisingly, I think there's quite a few people already trying to get their hands on a pair of the $300 trainers. I think the originals were around £1,000 plus. So yeah, Arberg announced that their new Freeformer 300 3X machine at Formnext this month, which is additively manufacturing 3-component parts in both soft and hard combinations. Arberg have said that this is the first time that AM can make complex yet functional hard and soft parts, whilst also using support structures. As well as this, Arberg are renting out their Freeformer machine, and they're going to be considering the rental price if customers do decide to purchase it after 12 months, which is really good.
It's a great option, for those who maybe want to try before they buy, but the machine does sound really great, so that's good. STS Additive Manufacturing have announced that with the help of Big Systems and Markforged, that they have become one of the first companies within the whole of the US to utilise Markforged Metal X 3D printer. With the printer, they'll be delivering metal and composite AM services. The machine itself, boasts about being one of the most, accessible 3D printers. I think it's got award-winning design, and hardware, so that's really cool.
Yeah, and I'm sure we'll soon hear of more developments from STS Additive Manufacturing and what they've achieved with the Markforged Metal X 3D printer, so looking forward to that. And speaking of great developments, there is a French company called 3D Fab. They are currently developing a living bandage. This is created using 3D bioprinting and direct additive manufacturing. The platform's project is called Stress Skin, which aims to create innovative solutions to elevate the mechanical properties of bioprinted tissues towards biomimetic properties. Once these solutions have been finalised, 3D Fab have said that the applications will be vast, and ideally there will be sustainable solutions to replace and repair the tissue.
Well, talking about the medical sector, GE Healthcare are using imaging technology now to advance the use of 3D printing in veteran care. Alongside VA Puget Sound, who provide care to more than 9 million veterans, they will be utilising GE's AW Volume Share workstations with 3D printed software, as it uses many facilities across the US. Beth Ripley, MD, said that by harnessing power of 3D printing with a rich data set, we will be able to pull images out of the screen and into our hands, allowing us to interact with the data in a deeper way to, fuel innovative personalised care based on the unique needs of each of our patients.
Yeah, so that's some pretty futuristic software, that sounds like. Looking forward to seeing that as well.
Me too. Well, that concludes today's episode of Kensington Additive News, and as we mentioned last time, don't forget to go on our website. If you have any news you want us to submit and speak about, just go straight to our website and submit it there. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, thanks guys.